Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VF2SS, serial number 43137. Machine was new in 2005, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a Haas control, 3-axis, 2,000 RPM, it has up to 12,000 RPM. We're going up, 5,000 RPM. 7,500 RPM. Simulating a tool change. Yep, it's going slow because the door is open. That's the safety on it. Okay. Again, it's a 12,000 RPM spindle. You have 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, 20 of Z. That's your Y. And your X. Machine does have a chip auger. And it's set up for a coolant through. Yep. Okay. Hey, thank you for watching our video.